Hello friends, many times we may need to split path. Like there may be cases when we want to use parent path of a file for some other uses as well. In this video, we will see how we can split a path to fetch specified portion or part of a path. Split-path command is used to return specific portion of a part. In this example, we are trying to split a path specified under path parameter and we can see the result. By default, parent path is returned when we split a path. A path is made up of a parent component or parent path and end component. Parent path is the first portion of a path. In this example, path portion in yellow is end component and green portion is parent path. Path parameter is used to specify the path that you want to split. Literal path parameter is also same as path parameter, but unlike path parameter, wildcards are not accepted in literal path parameter. In example, we have two commands. First command using path parameter, later command is using literal path parameter. Resolve parameter is used to resolve the resulting split path. In this example, we are trying to split a relative path, and after split, we will get only parent folder or parent path only. In this example, parent folder is dot, that means it is current folder. Sometimes there may be cases that we are interested only in knowing the drive of a path. Qualifier parameter is used to return only drive of a path. We can use no qualifier parameter to get the path without drive. In this example, we have two commands. One is using qualifier parameter and second one is using no qualifier parameter. We can easily see the difference by executing both these commands. We can use leaf parameter to get topmost file or folder name in specified path. This topmost file or folder name in path is also known as end component of a path. In this example, we are extracting end component of a path, means end file or folder name using leaf parameter. Parent parameter is used to return parent path of a item. It means first portion of a path. This is default parameter, so it can be omitted. It means if we are not using leaf parameter specifically, we will get parent portion of the path by default. In this example, both commands return same output. Though in first command we are using parent parameter specifically and in second command we are not using any parameter, so default parameter will be used. Though we can easily identify whether a path is absolute or relative by just seeing it. But sometimes, especially when we are using a script, it may be helpful if we can find automatically or programmatically whether path is absolute or not. For example, in a script or automation application, many times many things may be depend upon the result, like if path is absolute, then run this command, or if path is relative, then run that command. Like this, absolute parameter is used to find if path is relative or absolute. You can easily check the use of this parameter by running both these commands in this example. One thing to make a note of is that we can use only one parameter at a time out of these listed parameters. These parameters are qualifier, no qualifier, parent and leaf. Now let's recap. Split-path returns the specified portion of a path. Resolve and path or literal path are some parameters used with this command. Qualifier, no qualifier, parent, extension and leaf. We can use one parameter at a time out of these parameters.